Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create unlimited Gmail account. So you might require some various numbers of Gmail account for your own use. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first step is to go to Google Sign In, and now click on this link. And as you can see, I'm already logged in. So I'm just going to open incognito and type in Google Sign In. And here you can see the create account button. Click over here and click on personal use. And now enter your name and click next. Here enter your birth date. Now click on next again. So here you have to create a username. Alright, so now just click on next again. Now enter your password. And now click on next once again. Alright, here you can add your recovery email. So I'm just going to skip this and click on next once again. So now what you have to do is click on I agree. And here as you can see, our email has been created. So now let's head on to our Gmail. So yeah, that is how you'll be able to create Gmail. So I advise you to not do this, but if you want to, you can just create 2 or 3 Gmail accounts. Here I'm just going to show you some article how to create unlimited Gmail. So here as you can see in this article, it is mentioned that your account might be temporarily disabled. So here I'm just going to show you the article that I was just reading. So as you can see, Google can disable your account, or your account can be suspended as well. So make sure you do this at your own risk. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.